Well, begging for oil didn't help. Will the climate emergency problem help? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the BUBBA'S update for Monday, the 25th of July, and markets are kind of sloppy and mixed as we patiently await the Federal Reserve announcement on our decision on Wednesday, which is pretty predictable that we'd be kind of just hanging out, hovering, doing nothing. Right now, we're kind of split. The Dow and Russell are higher. The NASDAQ and S&P are lower. We're long all four. They all did open much lower last night, and they all were much higher at one point today. Now, again, settling in. We'll see what it brings us from here. Again, it's all nonsense anyways. Crude is spiking higher. We're still short. It's up about $1.16. Now, it is well off the highs. So, again, it's kind of mid-range. The gold and silver are getting hammered once again, which is no surprise. We've written about it and talked about it. You know, $16.50 in gold and $18 in silver is our next targets. Let's see if we get there and what happens. In the meantime, we remain short. The bonds and notes are getting waxed. And, of course, we're still long those, which I hate, as I tell you all the time. But, again, it is what it is. I'm not going to fight it. But they are getting punished a little bit today, which indicates that the hike is going to be maybe bigger than they are projecting. But we'll see. We don't try to outguess it or outsmart it. The dollar is lower. We're long. The euro currency is a little bit higher, and we're still short. Bitcoin is getting hammered again, and we're short. Copper is a little bit higher, and we're short. Nat gas is popping higher once again, and we're still long. In the grain markets, up across the board. We're short across the board. They're up across the board. But giving up those gains quickly, it would not be. Now, again, I'm a big bull for a longer term in the grain markets. But I'm short right now, and it wouldn't surprise me, based on what I'm watching right now, that they close lower on the day. Okay, it's very active because it's very thin. And to me, if you're a farmer, grain trader, I think that the big funds are trying to force some liquidation here by putting pressure. Because, again, when the banks get involved, it's always a puke. Okay, so right now, but they're still higher. But they're giving up ground quickly as we are speaking. In the protein complex, fats are higher, we're long. Feeders are lower, we're long. And hogs are slightly lower, and we're long as well. But again, I personally believe, although our positions are long, is all those things are pretty much what we would call fairly priced. I don't think they're going much higher. I don't think they're going lower right now, but I don't think they're going much higher either. Okay. And the softs, cotton is flat, we're short. Sugar is lower, we're short. OJ is lower, we're short. Coffee is higher, we're short. And cocoa is higher, and we are still short that as well. So it's kind of a mixed bag, but it's really quiet. It's really dull. It's really slow. So it's really hard to get a real great read on what's going on here. In the meantime, we'll play them as we see them. Had a great day trading this morning, so that's always a good thing. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors, either scrolling on the bottom or on the sides, and of course, Capital Trading Group, the CTG Group. I mean, again, they're our favorites for that. Trade your brokerage, none better, and of course, our high school program. Check them out. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another BUBBA'S Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.